Hi, today we are making a birthday card and we're going to use a picture from the calendar and also some scrapbook paper. The first thing I'm going to do is decide how big I want this card, and I'm going to cut both the scrapbook paper and the page from the calendar to the appropriate size. I want to thank you guys for joining me today. If you're new, welcome to my channel and thanks for joining in. And if you're one of my returning friends, thanks for watching and thank you for the continued support. I really appreciate it. For those of you who didn't know, if you'd like, you can also follow me on Instagram. I've decided to make this card a tall and slim card. So you can see how I'm folding it now, and one of the edges will overlap the other one just slightly. Now I am fitting the calendar picture inside. You can see that the scrapbook paper is a little bit bigger than the calendar picture, so I've marked it and I'm going to go ahead and cut the top of that off. Now the picture will be the exact same size as the scrapbook paper. Okay, we are ready to adhere this cute picture onto the scrapbook paper. It's time now to work on the inside of the card, so I'm going to choose another piece of scrapbook paper that I think will coordinate really well. I am marking it and then I will cut it to size. I'm going to add some links in the description box. I will add links to some of my other fun how-to videos, and I will also add links to some of the products that I've used. Okay, so I have these two pieces cut now, so it is time for me to adhere them onto the inside of the card. You can see how cute this is coming out. I just absolutely adore this. And so I wanted to remind you, don't throw away your calendars or anything like that once you are done with it, you might want to just get rid of it. But go through it and pull out anything that you could reuse in any way, because it's been so fun to make this birthday card from this cute calendar. I'm going to dig through my little pouches of embellishments and die cuts and whatnot, and I'm going to find some things that I feel will coordinate well with this card. Since I chose this butterfly paper, I think I will use a die cut that has a flower on it. You're going to see me bend the page, and I bent the card with it, and that's because I want this little die cut to be on both parts of the card. So it needs to bend because that one side bends to open the card. I hope that makes sense. I chose a flower and a potted plant die cut and also a little tag. And on that tag, I'm going to thread it with some ribbon, and then I'm going to adhere it to the top of the card, and I'm going to write happy birthday on it. Now I'm ready to embellish the front of the card. I've chosen to use some of this beautiful gold, it's not ribbon, but I don't know what else to call it, so we'll say gold ribbon. And I got this at Salvation Army about a month ago, and I got it in a whole bucket of ribbon that was marked down to $2.49 for that whole spool of gold ribbon plus a bunch of other ribbon, and I just felt like I hit the jackpot. So it was a very exciting find for me, and I'm very happy to be using some of it on this card. So I'm going to be putting some on both edges where the card opens up. I think it adds such a nice detail, and it looks just beautiful with the green and the purple that are on the card. For some additional detail, I am using these super tiny metallic butterflies. and I know that you probably can't see them as I'm adding them on here, but the recipient should be able to see them because they'll add a little sparkle. Here on the outside in front of the card, we have this floral paper, and then inside we have some butterfly paper. Well, I'm going to use some of that butterfly paper right here on the front of the card, just to add another layer of detail and dimension. I don't know if you'll be able to notice, but I add these two very tiny smiley face sequins to the area where the butterflies are here on the outside. If you have enjoyed watching me make this happy birthday card, smash that like button. Also subscribe to my page. And again, if you'd like, you can follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching. See you soon.